all. Hope everyone is fine. Today is World Heart Day and it is created by World Heart Federation and World Health Organization in, in the year 1999 and celebrated every year from then onwards. The aim of this celebration is to bring awareness in people about cardiovascular diseases, heart diseases, strokes, etc. So on this World Heart Day, I will discuss about one specific topic, that is heart attack. Our heart is the heart of our body and blood flows from heart to every part of the body. In our body, the heart is the only part which works continuously from birth to death, and the heartbeats, if you hear, it will sound like this: lub dub, LUB, DUB. LUB means live your best, DUB means do your best. And if the heart cannot supply blood to any part of the body, that part will not work properly. Suppose the blood doesn't flow to your brain, then what happens? Then instructions from the brain to other parts will not be there, and the whole body will get collapsed. This situation is called cardiac arrest. Our previous President of India, Sri Abdul Kalam Garu, and Dean Jones, Australian cricket player who has suffered recently, are two examples. Many more cases may be there. In the other way around, the brain is working and heart is having problem of supplying blood to other parts. This is heart attack. In heart attack, many people face chest pain, but all chest pains are not heart attacks. How to identify? Because even gastric pain will bring chest pain in our body. So for that reason, I will show you a demo where when a person is having ache in chest, he can check on his own and make others to do what I show, so that you will know it is gastric pain or heart attack. Cut. Now let us see the demo by which you can know whether the chest pain is heart attack or gastric pain. For this, what you have to do is, you stand up and lift your both hands up and see how long you can hold. If you are able to hold for more than 1.5 to 2 minutes or above, it is gastric pain. And if it is heart attack, your both hands will fall on their own like this, because the blood flow to your hands is not smooth from heart. This is because you have some chokages in your heart. Once you have identified that it is heart attack or heart pain, you have to go to a hospital. For that you need some time. For buying the time, you can have a tablet by name Sorbitrate 10 mg, which can give you some cushion of 40 to 45 minutes, by which time you can go to doctor and then doctors will take care of you. So, what A to Z IVG Rao channel suggests everyone is to keep 2 tablets of Sorbitrate 10 mg in your gents' purse, gents' wallet or purse, and handbags of ladies, so that it may be of help to you or anyone around you. And life saving is a great compliment to one. And now I will tell you how to maintain your heart healthy. For this, you have to take nutritious food, morning walks and exercises, controlling your BP and cholesterol. This will make your heart healthy. Further, your body will be healthy. If your body is healthy, your family is healthy. Health is wealth. So, in this particular time of corona, health is always wealth. So, take care of your hearts. A to Z IVG Rao requests everyone to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.